As you can see, I cannot ride this bus without fastened seatbelts. Today is the premiere of the first fully electrical bus. Busprestige, as an official partner of Volkswagen company, presents you e-Taxi. Okay, now let's have a look inside the vehicle. You can enter it with sliding doors on the right side. You can see this is a configuration 8+1. The seats are installed on the special rails. It means that you can move them easily. Here you have NMI quick release, so you can put it in various configurations. As you can see, I already moved the seats. As you can see, they are premium class with the actual leather. Okay, now to show you the interior. What you can find here, it's a premium sound system, proper lighting. Also you have upholstery with a very high class. And actually you have here thermal isolation and sound isolation. As you can see, you can move this seat in order to make additional cup holders. Okay, now let's have a look into the back compartment. As you can see, you have proper lighting here. You can turn on the light, and you have here up to 2 places to wheelchair. Okay, now let's move to the front. As you can see, you have ecological design here. And now let's have a look under the hood. This bus produces 0 emission. Its declared range is approximately 170 kilometers. If you need to charge your batteries, you can do it up to 80% in 45 minutes. Now we will show you examples of the configurations. It is possible to change them according to your imagination.